Emma, do you want to go outside? Let's go outside and see what's outside. Let's go see what's outside. Come see what's in your yard. Come see what's in the yard. Come see. Can you see? Look what's out there. Look what's out there, Em. Look. Can you see out there? What is that? Is that a swing set? Is that a slide? Do you want to go see it? You want to go see it? Is that a slide? What is that? Is that Emma's new swing set?
Is your surprise, Emma? Wow, I don't think she could believe it.
I don't think so. Do you want to go see?
Oh boy, Emma. That's going to be so fun.
Say slide.
Did you see it?
Do you want to do this part, Izzy?
That's okay, just tell Bruce sorry about my hair. Fine. You ready?
Wow.
That's so fun. Wow, look at you. You want to go in the big swing, don't you?
I think she wants you to go on the big swing.
Videoing, yeah. Okay.
You want Mommy to go on the swing with you? Oh, let's try it out.
There goes Mommy.
The swing set's supposed to be sturdy enough to hold us both. And Daddy too, right? That's what they told us. Hi! This is so much fun! Yay! Oh boy!
Wow, Emma, you're so lucky.
This is nice. It does feel, it feels good. I don't feel like it's gonna break.
Wow, you're so lucky, Emma, getting a new swing
Do you want to try
set.
the slide? Let's try the slide
Slide.
before our video camera battery runs out. You want to try the slide? Let's try. You know how to go up the steps?
Oh. Oh, that's very good.
Good girl.
Yay.
Yeah. You see another little slide. Go ahead. Do you want to go up? What do you see? Do you want Mommy to go up first?
We're going under the slide.
Emma, do you want Mommy to go down the slide first?
Oh. She's trying to go up behind you.
Okay. Want Mommy to go down first?
Look, there goes Mommy. Whee!
Okay.
There goes Emma. Good job. Here she comes on a new slide. Smile, Emma. Whee! Woo!
Was that fun?
Yay!
Was that so much fun?
You gonna do it again?
Okay, we can
Oh boy.
probably press the bus. Oh, look at Emma driving the bus. You're a big girl. Oh, that's exciting.